Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. We're doing something really fun today. We're going to be rating our teenagers' Halloween costumes.
Halloween costumes. We went in the garage, pulled out
everything.
Bought everything we could. Yeah.
And it's a Saturday, so we're just kind of chilling at home. We just had this idea, or the kids had this idea because they thought it would be like a fun way to spend the day. Plus they wanted to film some Halloween costume TikToks. So it kind of is fun because we get to do both at once. Oh, Willow is our puppy. You can probably hear her. She is being house trained still, which is why she still has this little play yard. But she's a good girl. You're a good girl.
She's an angel.
You're so good. Are you guys ready to try some costumes on? Oh, looks like Gracelynn already has one. You are a pirate?
We're going to be doing a TikTok, which you'll see if you go to our TikTok.
Oh, go check it out.
Yes,
and I'll take some pictures of you. You can post them on our Instagram, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm really excited too for this video because we have a sponsor. It is Marmalade Game Studio, and they are the maker and publisher of amazing games for mobile. We are going to be playing Monopoly today. So I think the girls are going to join me. Are you two up to play some Monopoly?
Yeah, we're actually playing it right now. I just got a color match.
Oh, color match, all three. Which color?
I got purple.
Purple, nice. So how about you guys, if you want to reload, I'll show you guys how to get in. So I'm gonna create a game. We're gonna play online, but together with friends. So I'll create my own game, and it has a little code in the corner, and they just type in the code, and they jump right into my game.
It's super easy.
It's super easy. And what tokens were you guys? I was a Tyrannosaurus Rex last time. I'll show you that in a second. It's like a T-Rex token that goes around. What do you want to be?
The Eiffel Tower.
You're gonna be the Eiffel Tower?
And I was a really fancy perfume bottle.
Perfume bottle? All right, let's get that loaded up. While we're getting the game ready, go check out the link in the description box below for more information and get your own Monopoly. This time we're gonna be doing the quick play. There's lots of different modes you can play. You can play by yourself against AI. You can play online with other players. You can play together locally on one phone where you pass it all around. But we're gonna be playing online together where I'm gonna bring up my code and they're gonna join my game. With quick play, really what I noticed is they get rid of chance and community chest, and then every property you land on, if you don't buy it, then it just goes up for auction, and it really just makes the game go a lot faster. But it is brutal. It's a really fun, fast way to play. I like that everything that you can do in real life, you can do on the game. You can trade, you can do auctions, you can mortgage your properties. I keep going to jail over and over, which is probably my least favorite thing, but at least I'm safe and not paying money for landing on their properties. Marmalade Game Studios makes games like Cluedo and Battleship, Monopoly, The Game of Life, and they're all super family friendly, and they can be played online or offline. So go get Monopoly or any of Marmalade's games at the App Store or Google Play, and check out the link in the description box below for more information. Just because you guys already saw Gracelynn's costume, doesn't mean we don't have to rank it. So that's gonna be our first one. Mom and Gabrielle are ready, and here comes Gracelynn. Do we have maybe I'll play Halloween music right now.
Right?
That would be good.
I like this costume, but this was also my costume from 4 years ago. So I'm a little bit partial to it, but I think it's really cute. There's a sword that goes with it, but she's not carrying it.
Oh, she could have a parrot on her, a parrot on her shoulder.
I wish we had a parrot dog costume. Except
Oh my gosh, that would be cute.
Like a little dog parrot
So
costume,
what do you
yeah.
think, Gracelynn? What would you rank this one?
I really like this one because it's easier to dance with than the other ones.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like high maintenance.
It's really comfortable, at least it was when I wore it. I really like it. I would give it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, Gabrielle?
I can appreciate the use of the tiny hat. I rate it a 7 out of 10 just because I think the top's a little basic, but it looks good on you.
I'm gonna go with an 8.8 because I'm a pro.
That's pretty good ranking.
8.8 is pretty good. Looks nice.
So I helped Gabrielle get into this costume, and I really like it because this costume is actually another one of mine, and I wore it to take the kids to a trunk or treat or something years ago, and we found it in the garage. So I'm really excited because now it fits her too. So Gabrielle, you gonna come out?
Yeah.
And show us? It's heavy.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Cinderella.
That's
I like
nice.
this dress. The sleeves are
It's a little long, but I mean it was long on me too. So
I'm not wearing any shoes right now.
yeah, if she was wearing shoes, it would fit well.
Maybe
That's nice.
here,
It's
yeah.
good detail too. It's a nice dress.
It's pretty. I like it.
If you recall, honey, you have a Prince costume. that
I
matches
do.
this.
Prince Charming.
This
yes.
is he had a Prince Charming costume, and I had a Cinderella costume, and that was the theme. right
Totally.
here.
So what's the rating on this one?
I give this one a 9. I really like this one, and I think it's really cute on her.
That is cute. That's a great costume. Gracelynn, what do you think there?
I think it's a 9 too.
A 9?
What about you, Gabrielle? What do you think?
I'm just gonna say that it's really itchy. So as far as comfort goes, it's a 2 out of 10.
Like a 2 out of 10?
But what about for beauty? What do you rank it?
I think the dress is really, really pretty. I would say like maybe an 8 out of 10 for.
I'll say 9-1. I like it a lot. It's a really high quality dress.
Yeah, I like this.
Okay, so this next costume is another one that I wore like, I don't know, like a long time ago. I want to say I was like pregnant with Gretchen. I just found out I was pregnant with her, and we had a Halloween party, and Jeff and I were like, I was a cop and he was a robber.
Hey.
I don't know where his costume was, but we were able to find mine, so it fits Gabrielle. So Gabrielle, come on out and show us.
Uh-oh.
Oh, police officer Gabrielle.
That's a good one. That's a fun one.
Do you remember when we wore these?
Yeah, I do. It was fun.
I can't believe my kids are big enough to wear my clothes. This is crazy. So obviously she added some leggings. I can't remember if this came with like little shorts or not. We couldn't find them, so she's wearing her own little leggings underneath.
I like my spandex shorts, but I had leggings on already.
Like bike I think it came with like a bike shorts situation, but I don't know. Like I said, it's like 8 years old, so I think it's cute. What do you think?
I like the costume. I mean, I'm surprised it fit me this well.
So of comparing this one to the other ones, like where would you rank this one?
I mean, it's a lot more comfortable, and I like comfort, so I would probably say like an 8, and I like the way it fits me, so add on an extra 2 points, 10 out of 10.
So 10 out of 10 for police officer
I really
Gabrielle.
like this one.
All right, what about you, Dad?
So Gabrielle looks great in it, but for me, the costume is like a 7-6.
You know, I think
It's
so
a
too.
simple
It's a very
costume,
simple costume.
but
It
it's
looked
fine.
it looked really good when
It's
I
fine.
had a black and white prisoner stripe. Remember that was like the prison costume you
Yeah.
wore. Also, I'm in the camera lens. I'm looking at how dirty your TV is. Like the baby just went up and like was licking it.
That's all right.
So I would say like, yeah, comfort level, 100% agree with you,
It
10
looks
out of
good,
10.
though.
It looks really good. But as
It's
far
just
as like
simple, I
overall
think.
costumes, it's simple. So I would
Yeah,
give it like
I
a
think it's
7.
cute.
Gracelynn, you have any feedback?
I would say probably at 8.
8. So overall good.
Good.
Quick costume change.
Yes.
So this one you wore what, last year?
This is actually for my 8th grade Halloween dance party.
It still fits you surprisingly well.
So yeah, it's actually a really comfortable costume. It's like a long sleeve t-shirt, just a little tulle skirt, but I like it.
Cat in the Hat. We couldn't find the hat.
It did
Dad
have a super
looked,
cute hat.
Grayson looked, I looked, everybody looked. It had a little hat with a headband.
Because it's a cat in a hat. So she's
Right.
just a cat really now.
But it is cute. This is a really cute costume. I think they still sell this costume like at Spirit, right? I think that's where we got it.
Last time we went, like the cat in the hat costume.
It's super
So
cute and it's comfortable too, right?
It is comfortable.
So
yeah.
when you dress up as this, I really liked it. Like, so I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10 with the hat.
Yeah.
Cause yeah, it was comfortable, you wore it all night
I
and it
love
looked
it.
super
Cute,
cute.
and fun, lighthearted. I give it like an 8.7. I like it a lot.
It's really
I think
cute.
It's really cute.
Really
yeah.
cute. What about
I
you?
rate it a 9 only because I can tell it's comfortable, and with the hat, it looks on point.
And if it doesn't already have one, she should totally get a tail with it. Does it have a tail?
Turn around, is there a tail?
Something
there's-
you could.
I don't remember.
You could totally put like a
Yeah.
cat tail with it, which is kind of fun too.
I
Yeah.
think we have them in the garage. So anyway, next time.
What do we have here?
We have a flapper.
A flapper costume. This is awesome. I've actually worn this before. Actually, last year I think I wore this to a Halloween party. It's one of my favorite costumes because it's super comfortable and cute. Did I just see you peeking your little Red Riding Hood head out around the corner?
I'm off to grandmother's house. Don't mind me.
So this is really cute too. I really like this one. It could use a good like ironing. But
This is
I think
actually, so these are both still your
take the
costumes,
hood off so I
right?
can see what it looks
Yes.
like. There we go. All right, that's a little better. So I think these are cute.
Yeah.
Do you guys like these? I think I like these better than the other ones you guys have been
This is a
trying
lot
on.
more
These are
comfortable
really
than the
good.
Cinderella dress. I will tell you that. And this is nice to wear.
We had to clamp these in the back.
Yeah.
This one, because it's mine, it's kind of big on her. I put a little clamp in the back to keep it tight. But
these
it is really
these are
cute.
These are like in the 9s. These are probably like 9.3 or something. It looks.
I would
really
give them both a
festive,
9 or 10, I
really
think.
fun. Really fun.
Grayson said she wants to film a TikTok dance in this.
I
It's
didn't
really
realize you were
cute.
still wearing my leggings. I was
Tap,
supposed to wear
tap,
leggings with them.
Yeah,
I should be
Halloween
wearing
hack.
leggings.
So are you wearing leggings? Halloween hack. It's for modesty
I
and
am
for
still
warmth.
wearing leggings.
Because-
For warmth.
For warmth, because
And
Halloween
if
is
your
cold.
costume's itchy and you wear high-waisted black.
It's all I wear, it's all I
then
know.
It's not itchy anymore.
That's true. All right, we've got a candy corn witch and a Greek goddess. What do we think
Nice.
about these?
What goddess is this supposed to be? Like Athena?
Whichever
That
one
was
you want it
actually-
to
I think
be.
that was my costume for Greek Day.
I think it was for school.
Yeah.
That's a school costume. And this is a candy cane witch costume.
It's
The
like-
hat's very tiny.
It's like Glenda the Good Witch.
I keep on thinking it's longer. It's so
And I do have to say about this costume, the witch costume, without the pants, I don't really know if that's a costume. Like, it's
you pulled it off.
I think I also wore pants with it, but
Oh,
it's very, very
maybe.
short, but it's cute. It is cute with the pants, but the hat leaves something to be desired.
But once again, like from my perspective, they both look comfortable. Are they both pretty comfortable?
This is actually really comfortable. I don't really like the sleeves. The sleeves are a little tight on my arms.
It
Yeah.
reminds me of the pirate
It's a
sleeves
little
from
bit
Grayson's
long.
costume.
They're both like mid-8s for me, like 8'4", 8'6",
Oh, see,
somewhere
I
in
think
there.
Graceland's is like an 8, but Gabrielle, this one of Gabrielle's for me is like a 6.
Ooh.
If you could be dress coded on Halloween, this would be considered.
I don't know, the hat's just not doing it for me, but they are cute.
It's the hat for me, dog.
Right.
It's the hat for me.
All right, here's my witches. If you guys can guess what my costume is. I'm Winifred. We're the Sanderson sisters this year, and Gabrielle has a wig too.
I do have a wig, but it's kind of a pain, so.
Yeah, she's not wearing it, but your hair actually goes with that costume kind
Yeah,
of, so it's
I
all
like
good.
it.
So Graceland's Queen of the Faces for what, Mary? That's the
Yeah,
witch's
Mary
name?
Sanderson.
I'm going to say this skirt feels like a nightgown. It's so soft.
Yeah, the costumes this year, we really, I think, nailed it. I would give these a 10 out of 10. Dad was Billy Butcherson, and I think that costume turned out amazing too.
It was great. Yeah, these are great costumes.
These are
I think
super comfortable.
like a 9.9.
I would rank
maybe
these. These
it's
are my
fine.
favorite.
I
These
would
were like
say
a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Totally. If you guys want to see pictures of our whole family dressed up from Hocus Pocus, make sure to go over to Instagram. Jeff, can you put the little handle on the screen when you edit?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do that right there. It's at the Weiss fam. Go over there and check it out. We have pictures of the whole family. We actually did Hocus Pocus as the family theme, so even the little kids got in on it, which is super fun. And is that it? Is that the last of the costumes?
Yeah, we're dancing in the mirror.
Hey!
So that's all the costumes that we're gonna show you guys today. You can definitely check us out on Instagram. We took a ton of pictures, did a whole family picture
We did. They turned out
with
so cute.
everybody, all 5
And
girls.
let us know which costumes from today are your favorite. If the comments are turned on, down, and so say it in the comments below. If they're not turned on, tell us on IG.
And thank you so much to Marmalade Game Studios for sponsoring this video. Go check out the link in the description box below and get Monopoly or another one of their awesome games. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.